Hello, in this video I want to show you how to recruit people to your settlement in Bellwright. To do this, first you'll need to go to any village, then find the specific person walking around the streets, not the specific, like talk to basically anyone that walks by. And if you have a dialogue option, I think we can help each other by working together. What do you think? You can click on it to begin recruiting. Then you will need to meet a few things like specific things are listed right here on the right. If you have enough trusted currency, I think it's renown, then you can recruit it. Also, in this case, I need to be the village trust friend in this specific village, and then now I can actually recruit him. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.